The all-new V-Guard T35H air cooler unboxing and setup. Summer has officially started and today we finally bought our new air cooler. We ordered this online and recorded the full unboxing to share our experience. Packaging looks neat. This cooler particularly comes with a 35-liter water tank, which is great for longer cooling. We filled the tank using water bottles and it took a few bottles, but once filled it is ready to give cool air for hours. But there is one small disadvantage we noticed. There is no proper water inlet canal or top fill option to pour water easily. So we had to fill the tank using water bottles, which takes time and is a bit inconvenient. So it's not a big issue, but a proper water filling inlet would have made the experience much better. Once the tank was filled, we switched it on and the cooling experience was really good. Thanks for watching the video.